Good morning, students. Good morning to all. So, shall we start with a problem now? Tell me the first transaction. What is the first transaction, guys? I want response from everyone. Okay, nanu ellar kadeyindanu response bekku because this is the last class of a journal entry. Okay, everyone should respond. Should be thorough with the problems. Yes or no? So last time I did transaction tarane other idu. So I hope so everyone is cleared with the last problem. Last problem ellaru clear agide anta ankolತೀನಿ. Okay, so I want response from individual. Ellar kadeyindanu nanu response bekku. So tell me what is the first transaction?
Started business with cash rupees 60,000 and building rupees
Building
40,000.
Okay, started business with cash and also with a building. Yes sir. Building only no, that is. I don't have the transaction. I want response from everyone. Another transaction children. I forgot my phone to get. So response everyone. Okay, what is the first transaction? Started business with cash as well as with a building. Yes or no? Owner has been bought cash as well as the building into the business. Then what is the journal entry for this one?
Cash account debtor and building account debtor to capital account.
Very good. Cash account debtor. Okay. Building account debtor to capital. On which date it was? ಯಾವ ಡೇಟಿಗೆ ಇತ್ರಿ ಅದು? On which day?
1st August.
1st August.
1st August.
1st August
17.
17.
Okay. So what is the amount of cash?
60,000.
60,000.
Building
40,000.
40,000. And the total capital will be 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 lakh.
What will write the narration? What you people will write the narration for this one? Narration anybody? What you will write narration?
Being cash paid for building.
Being cash and building.
Being business started with the cash and the building, ma'am.
Okay. Being business started with cash and building or being cash and building bought into the business. Okay. So tell me the next transaction. What is the next transaction? What is the next transaction?
Deposited
Guys?
into bank 20,000.
What? Tell me, repeat it again. I don't have the
Deposited into the bank
Deposited into
20.
is
20,000.
20,000.
deposited into the bank. Yes or no?
Bank.
3rd August.
Okay. That means the cash is going out of the business. Yes or no? Here business is depositing the cash into the bank. So cash is going out of the business and the bank is a receiver of that cash. Okay. What is the journal entry for this one? Journal entry entry?
Bank account debit to cash account.
Bank account debit to
Cash account.
cash account. On which date?
3rd August.
3rd August. Narration what you write? Narration in Balpiri.
Being cash deposited into bank.
Very good.
Deposited the cash into bank.
Very good. Being cash deposited into bank. And what is the amount?
20,000.
20,000. What is the third transaction?
Bought goods from Lakshman rupees 10,000 and paid cash.
Bought goods from Lakshman. Yes or no? Bought goods from Lakshman and paid cash rupees 10,000. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here see. Bought goods from the Lakshman. Yes or no? So business is purchasing the goods from the Lakshman and also paid cash. So what may be the journal entry for this one?
Purchase account debit to cash account.
Very good, very good. Purchase account debit to cash account, because though we are purchased from the Lakshman ಹತ್ರದಿಂದ purchase ಮಾಡಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ immediate we paid him a cash. Yes or no? Cash pay ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ. So ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಜೋಡಿ ನಮ್ transaction complete ಆದಂಗಾಯ್ತು. So you are not supposed to take the person name when they have given the cash. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೋಬಾರ್ದು. ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಕೊಡ್ದಿರಾ ಬರೀ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೇಮ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಬೋತ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ as well as the person name. So when they gave cash as well as the person name, you have to take the cash only. That is nothing but transaction has been completed with that person anta ಹೇಳಿ. So what may be the journal entry for this one now? Journal entry.
Purchase account debit to cash account.
Purchase account debit to cash account. On which date it was taken place?
On
5th
5th
August.
August.
5th August. Amount? What is the amount? Amount?
10,000.
Huh?
10,000.
10,000.
10,000. Okay, so narration will be, what you'll write the narration? Being goods purchased from Lakshman and paid cash. Okay, the narration will be being goods purchased from Lakshman and paid cash. ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ದಿರೋದು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಏನ್ರಿ? Whether audio is visible to everyone, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದು ಒಂದ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತದೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ? Should I have chosen some different class? That's the reason. That's ಬೇರೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ. Okay, so the narration will be being purchased goods from Lakshman and paid cash. So narration you people have to write by yourself. Okay, is it clear? ಆಯ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಿ? Recorded all the transactions. Shall I erase these two? Erase ಮಾಡ್ರಿ? Shall I erase?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Then what is the fourth transaction?
Paid
Paid
office rent to
office rent.
landlord.
Lord.
Rent?
1,000 by check.
Okay. Paid office rent 1,000 rupees by check. Yes or no? So in the last class I said, if company paid anything in the form of a check, if company paid any expenses, or it may be a income, or it may be if company paid any expenses, like if company paid anything in the form of a check, salary irbodu, rent irbodu, illa yargaದ್ರು ಕೊಡೋದಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? When company paid
Bank account.
very good. If the company paid anything in the form of a check, we have to consider it is a bank anta ಹೇಳಿ. So what may be the journal entry for this one?
Rent account debtor to bank account.
Very good. Rent account debtor to bank account. On which date? Date entry?
On 8th August.
On 8th August.
Madam,
ಹೇಳಿ.
madam, they mentioned as landlord ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ರಿ?
Landlord, it is nothing but an owner only. We have paid a rent to a landlord. Landlord ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಜಾಗದ ಓನರ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ರೆಂಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಆ ಜಾಗದ ಓನರ್ಗೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿಲ್ರಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
So here rent is our expenses. Yes or no? Rent is our expenses, and that expenses we are paying in the form of cash. So cash anta ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ, here they have mentioned bank. Bank anta ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ landlord ಇಂದ ನಮ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಂಗಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ. ಆ ತಿಂಗಳದು ಅವನದು ಡ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? If rent was outstanding, that time the journal entry would be a different. Yes or no? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಚೆಕ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಮ್ ರೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವನದು ನಮ್ದು ನಡುವಿನ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಆ ತಿಂಗಳದ್ದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ನೇಮ್. ಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಚೆಕ್
Yes, ma'am.
ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ತಿಂಗಳದ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆದಂಗ ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ.
ಹಾ ರೀ.
Okay. So what may be the journal entry? Rent account debtor to
Bank account.
bank account. Landlord, it is nothing but owner of that land. Okay. So rent account,
Okay.
rent account debit to rent account debit to bank account. So what will be the narration? Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? What you people will write the narration? Please respond. Nananda ಏನು
Being rent paid through the check.
Very good. Being rent paid through the check, and the amount is 1,000 already.
Yes, ma'am.
And what is the next transaction? Tell me fast. I don't have the transaction. I left my material and all in home only. So please respond fast.
Ma'am, sold goods to Ram 8,000 on credit.
Okay, sold goods to Ram 8,000 on credit. Yes or no? So credit anta banದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ದು ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸಾಕ್ಷನ್ ರಾಮ್ ಜೋಡಿ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. Yes or no? So what may be the journal entry for this one? Tell me the journal
Ram
entry.
account debtor to cash account.
Ram account debit to sales account.
Ram account debit to sales account.
Sales account.
Very good. On which date?
10th August.
August. Got to know how? Ram account debit to sales account. If the journal entry ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತ್ರಿ? Ram is a receiver of the goods. Yes or no? And to sell goods is going out of the business. So the narration what you will write? Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Being
Ram sold goods on credit.
being sold goods to Ram on credit. Here business is selling goods to Ram. Ram is not selling to us. Yes or no? Here, so being sold goods to Ram on credit ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. Okay. What is the amount? What is the amount?
8,000.
And what is the next transaction? Next transaction in a
Received cash from Ram rupees 7,800 in full settlement of his account.
Okay. Received from Ram. Yes or no? Here business is receiving. Business is receiving no? We will read one more step.
Yes, ma'am.
Transaction. Innonsali hodri. Being
Received cash from Ram rupees 7,800 in full settlement of his account.
so received cash from Ram. Yes or no? Here business is receiving a cash in full settlement of his account 7,800.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So here business is receiving a cash from Ram. Yes or no? In full settlement of his account. What may be the journal entry? Itara transaction and last like explain madinilri.
Ram account debtor to cash account.
Ram account debtor.
Cash account debtor to discount allowed account debtor to Ram account.
Here business is receiving the cash from Ram. No, Ram in the cash na receive ಮಾಡತದ. ಆಮೇಲೆ Ram giver ಆಗ್ತಾನಿಲ್ರಿ. Yes sir.
Yes, ma'am. Cash account debit to Ram account.
Discount
Received account to
debtor
Ram
to
account.
Ram account.
Ram account cash account debit to discount allowed account debit to Ram account.
Ram account.
Ma'am, discount allowed.
Discount received, ma'am.
Ma'am.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ business cash receive ಮಾಡತದ cash pay ಮಾಡತದ.
Receive ಮಾಡತ್ತದ್ರಿ.
You, ma'am.
receive ಮಾಡತದ ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟಾರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತದನ ಅಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ, ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನ,
ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರ್ರಿ.
ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ?
ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್.
Discount allowed is an expense. Yes
Expense.
or no? So the transaction is that cash received from Ram in 7,800 in full settlement of his account. That was the transaction, no? Another transaction.
Yes, ma'am.
ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀರ ಅದನ್ನೇ ಬರೆಯತ್ತೀನ್ರಿ ನಾನು. I left my material all in home only. ಬರೋ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ನಾಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ. Even I didn't get my phone also. Okay, so received cash from Ram. So business is receiving a cash from Ram. So cash business nang ಒಳಗ್ ಬರತ್ತದ. Ram is a giver of that cash. Okay, 7,800 ಅವನಂತ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅದರಿ. ಸೊ 7,800 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರನು ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಮಗ್ ರಾಮು 8,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾನೆ. Ram have paid us 8,000 only, but actual cash ನಮ್ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಕೈಯಾಗ ಬಂದ್ ಸೇರಿದ್ದು 7,800. What about the remaining 200? Remaining 200.
Discount allowed.
Discount.
Discount allowed.
Discount allowed ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. Sometimes what they will do means they will not say in the transaction that discount allowed or discount received ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೇನ್ರಿ. Based on this amount you have to make out whether discount allowed adana, discount received adana. Okay, based on the amount you have to guess. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ transaction ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನಾನು? What I should write the journal entry?
Cash account debit to discount allowed account debit to
Discount allowed account debit to ಮತ್ತೇನ್ರಿ?
Ram account.
Ram account. Discount allowed account debit to
ಮೇಡಮ್ ನಾವ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳತ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ, ನಾವೆಲ್ ಕೊಡಾಕತ್ತೀರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್? ನಾವೇ ತಗೊಳತ್ತೀವಲ್ರಿ.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತನ್ರಿ ರಾಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಟು ಮೀ. ನನ್ನಂತಕ್ಕಿಂತ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ನೀವು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟೇಕನ್ 1 lakh ಲೋನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಮೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 months. 3 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮೇಡಮ್, ನನ್ ಬಹಳ ಅರ್ಜೆಂಟ್ ಅದ, 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾನು ನೀವು ಲೈಕ್ ನೀವು ಜೆನ್ಯೂನ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಇದ್ರಿ ನನಗ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲೋನ್ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಪೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 months. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ 3 months ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಹೋಗಿರ್ತೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಟೇಕನ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿ ಮಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಂಡ್. ಇವತ್ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳ ಎಂಡಿಗೆ ತಂದು ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ನಾನು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರಿ 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪೇ ಬೈ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಜೆನ್ಯೂನಿಟಿ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಐ ಗಿವ್ 1,000 rupees ಆಫ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್. ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ 1,000 rupees ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 99,000 I have received from you and 1,000 I gave on a discount to you. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರು ಪೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅದು ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ. This getting, because of the early payment, creditor will give a discount to a debtor. Getting or not?
Yes ma'am.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗತ್ತದ್ರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನೇ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವ್ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ನ ಪೇ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ 1,000 rupees ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದು ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ಡ್ ನಿಮಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಲೌಡ್ ನನಗ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್. ಆ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು 1 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬರೀ 99,000 ನಾನು 1,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ, ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್?
Yes ma'am, clear ma'am.
To Ram account. Yes sir, what is right in narration? Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ?
Being cash received from Ram and discount allowed.
Okay, being cash received from Ram and discount allowed. What is the amount? Amount
7,800 in cash account.
7,800 in cash and in discount allowed
200.
200.
200.
ರಾಮ್ account ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು?
8,000.
8,000.
How did you get the transaction? On which date it was done?
14th August. 14th August.
14. Is it clear? Understand I3 Allah? You people are getting or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? This
Yes.
cash discount allowed to Ram account. Clear I3? ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿರಿ ಇಲ್ರಿ everyone are taking or not? Take correctly, okay? Correct ಆಗಿ ತಗೊಳ್ರಿ. Okay? The class. Okay. Shall I erase this one? Erase ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. Shall I erase, students?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So what is the next transaction? Next transaction ಏನಂದ್ರೆ?
Bought office furniture for 5,000 and paid by check.
Okay. Bought office furniture
Yes, ma'am.
and paid check. So what may be the journal entry?
Furniture account to bank account.
To bank account.
Furniture account data to bank account. On which
Bank
date? How date it is?
on 16th August.
August. Furniture account data to bank account. Narration ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? What you people will write the narration?
Being furniture purchased by paying check.
Okay, being furniture purchased and paid check. Okay, so amount ಏನದರಿ?
5,000.
5,000.
5,000. What is the next transaction? Next transaction
Received the commission from Hanuman rupees 1,000.
Commission from Hanuman.
Received a commission from?
Hanuman RS 5,000.
Okay, received commission from Hanumant. Okay, so received commission is your
Income.
income. So income record ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ.
Credit.
Okay, and what will record on the debit side?
Cash.
Hanuman.
Cash.
You'll record the commission on the credit side and you'll record the cash on the debit side because cash
Debit side.
receiving the cash commission in the form of a cash. So cash is coming into the
Cash.
ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. Okay.
Business.
Cash account debit to
Debit
commission
account.
or commission received ಅಂತಾನು ಬರೀ. Okay, so the narration will be being commission received. Date
Received.
What was the date? Fast. Jaldi.
On 17th August.
17th. Amount? What was the amount? Sorry. Amount. Fast. Time up agata.
5,000. 5,000.
5,000.
5,000.
What is the next transaction? Fast, students. Jaldi ಹೇಳಿ. Transaction ಏನದ?
Cash deposit into bank RS 4,000.
Okay, cash deposited into
Bank.
So the journal entry
Bank RS 4,000.
Bank account to cash account.
bank account data to cash account because if cash
Cash account.
that means bank is a receiver of the cash and the cash is going out of the business. On which day?
19th August. 19th August.
19th August.
19th August.
August.
Okay. So bank account debit to
Data to
cash account.
cash account.
Amount?
4,000.
So the narration will be being cash
Being
deposit.
cash deposited to
Cash
bank.
deposited to bank.
Okay, so amount will be 4,000. Next transaction ಏನದು? What is the next transaction?
Cash sales RS 10,000.
Cash paid,
Cash sales RS 10,000.
Cash paid rupees 10,000.
cash paid rupees,
No, madam.
10,000.
Cash sales.
Sales.
Cash sales rupees 10,000.
cash paid rupees 10,000. Here nothing but goods has been sold for an cash.
Sold.
Cash.
So what is the
Cash account debit to sales account.
Debit to
Sales
sales account.
cash account debit to sales account?
Sales account.
Debit.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ erase ಮಾಡಾತಿದ್ರಿ. What is the date? Date.
on 20th
20
August.
August.
Cash account debit to sales.
Sales account.
20th August. Amount
10,000.
10,000, ma'am.
okay. Next ಏನದು?
Paid office rents rupees 1,000.
Journal
Rent account to cash account.
date.
25th August.
25th August. Amount
1,000.
Ma'am.
next transaction. Next transaction.
Madam.
ಅದು ರೀ madam.
Madhuri. Okay. Total ಮಾಡಿ. Do total of both. Okay. Very good. Finish ಆಯ್ತಿಲ್ರಿ? ನಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಓದರಿಲ್ಲ. Okay. Total
1,71,800.
1,71,800.
800, ma'am.
800.
1,71,800. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಿ? Being rent paid through being rent paid ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದನ್ನ ನಡೀತದೆ. Being rent paid ಅಂತ ನರೇಶನ್ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕ being cash sales. Being cash sales ಅಂತ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕ being rent paid. Is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone have copied the transaction correctly? Transaction
Yes, ma'am.
correct ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone is cleared with all the transaction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Transaction?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. As I said, today is the last class of an journal entry. It was last class adan tandinri. Enadru doubt ittandre you can ask me. Shall I start the ledgers from tomorrow? Is it clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
ನಿಮ್ಮ journals ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ದಿ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ. Is it clear to everyone? Please raise your hand.
Yes, ma'am. Clear, ma'am.
Priya, Abhilash, is it clear to you? ಸುಮ್ ಕೈ ಎತ್ತುದಲ್ರಿ. ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ಪಂಡಿತ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್ ರಾಥೋಡ್, Basvesh, Deepak. Is it clear or no? If it is not clear ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನೋಡೋಣ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ರಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಹೋಗೋದ್ರಾಗ ಏನು ಪ್ರಯೋಜನ ಇಲ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಅದ್ರ ಸಂಬಂಧ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಬರ್ರಿ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಟೀಚ್ ಯು ಪೀಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ಯಾಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋಲ್ದಾಗೈತಿ, ತಿಳಿಯೋಲ್ದಾಗೈತಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆ, ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ದ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಹೂ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್, ಯಾರು ತಿಳಿದಿಲ್ಲ ಒಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ನೀವೇ ಬಂದು ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಬರ್ರಿ. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದ್ ದಿವಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಬರುದಿಲ್ಲ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ನೀವೇ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಾನು ಯಾವಾಗ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಗಿರ್ತೀನೋ ಇದನ್ನ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂದು ಟೈಮ್ ಶೆಡ್ಯೂಲ್ ನೋಡಿ You come, I will teach you people. Okay, before ledger start ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮೊದಲೇ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಚಲೋ ಬಾಳ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ, because ledger is basically depend on this journal. Journal ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಅದಾರಿ. So without knowing to pass the journal, it will be very difficult for you people to pass the ledger. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಳತ್ತೀನ್ರಿ. So please, if you not understood, free to ask me. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಕ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೂ ಬಂದ್ ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಟ್ ಟು ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಮಿ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಏನ್ ತಿಳ್ಕೊತಾಳು ಅಂತ ಅದೇನು ತಲೆಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. ನೀವ್ ಎಷ್ಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಷ್ಟು ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ನಮಗೂ ಇನ್ನು ಇದನ್ನ ಆಗ್ತದ್ರಿ. Okay, so free to ask me the doubts. Is it clear now? If I start the ledger from tomorrow, is it fine to everyone? Ellargu okay ri?
Yes, ma'am.
Ledger start ಮಾಡ್ದೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ. Okay, so be present. Okay, ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಅದ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚೇ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ 2 ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, I didn't get the 10 members were absent in my class, you know. 20 ಜನ absent ಆದ್ರು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಗೆ. ಹಿಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ರಿ? ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಬಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರು ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಕೇಳ್ರಿ, ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ರಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಆನ್ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಅನ್ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್. ಸೊ ಬಿ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಟು ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ರೆಗ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ಐ ಸೆಡ್ I will be telling, if you miss one class also, you will not get any connectivity. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೆಂಗಿದ್ರು ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಒಂದೆರಡು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಿದ್ರಿ. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಾ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಪಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೆಡ್ಜರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅವಾಗೂ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ